All right, scholars, this next question, question number 12, is a variation on the cuckoo clock question from class. So a clock shop has two cuckoo clocks on display. The cuckoos display at different time intervals. One comes out every 22 minutes and one comes out every 25 minutes. There's our situation. And we have two questions. If they all appear at 5 o'clock, what are all the times they will appear together between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m.? And the answer should be an actual time, such as 3:33 p.m. And how often will they appear together between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m.? All right, there's two ways to approach this. I'm going to approach it from the way that seems most intuitive, most simple. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and jot down what I think is important. So clock 1 appears every 22 minutes. Okay, that is very important. Clock 2 appears every 25 minutes. And the first time they appear together is at 5 p.m. So they appear together at 5 p.m. And now we're being asked to find what are all the times, such as 3:33 p.m. or 5:10 p.m., they will appear together between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. The easiest way, I think, to make sense of this problem is to make schedules for both of those clocks. So let's start with clock 1. We'll call that C1. And clock 2, we'll call that C2. And we both start at 5 p.m. So that's the first time they appear together. Okay, let's make the schedule for clock 1 for all the times it'll come out from between 5 and 9 p.m. So the next time it'll come out is 5:22, and then at 5:44. And the next time it comes out after that would be 6:06, because that's 22 minutes after 5:04. I'm sorry, 5:44, and then 6:28, and then let's see, 6:28 plus another 22 minutes. That would be 6:50. And then 22 minutes after that would be 7:12. And then 22 minutes after that would be 7:34. Then 22 minutes after that, let's see, we'd have 7:56. Then 22 minutes after that, and I think you get the clue, the idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of the schedule. We're going to have 8:18. And then we'll have 8:40, and then 9:02. We don't really need to consider the 9:02 because it goes over the time limit. But let's go ahead and do this schedule. We'll have 5:25. We'll have 5:50. We'll have 6:15. We'll have 6:40. 7:05. 7:30, 7:55, we'll have 8:20, 8:45, and then 9:10. Now all we need to do is compare the two schedules and see when or if they actually ever appear together. Let's see, let's scroll on down, let's scroll down, let's scroll down. This is pretty close, but it's not the exact same time, so this won't work for us. Let's see, this is also pretty close, but it's not the exact same time. And as we look through the rest of the schedule, they come out very closely toward one another, but never together except other than at 5 o'clock. So we can answer part A by saying the clocks only appear together at 5 p.m. Okay, and seeing that, we can also answer question B. And question B is, how often will they appear together? Well, they'll only appear together once. They appear together once. Okay, so hopefully that helped clarify that question for you. And if there are any other questions, comments, concerns, feel free to email me, and good luck on the quiz.